Good morning students, welcome back to St. Austin's YouTube channel. This is your online mathematics class. My name is Ayushi. We were doing chapter number 3, understanding quadrilaterals. This is exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2 first question we have already done, so today we will be doing question number 2. Question number 2 tells us find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of first part is 9 sides, second part is 15 sides. Okay, so we have to find out the measure of the exterior angle of a regular polygon, first of all of 9 sides. Okay, we have a polygon, it has 9 sides. Now since it is a regular polygon, this implies that all of the angles must be equal. So solution. First part, 9 sides. First of all, we know in a regular polygon, all sides and angles are equal. This implies measure of each angle is equal. That means all the angles are of equal measure. Okay, a 9-sided polygon will have how many angles? A 9-sided polygon will obviously have 9 angles. N equals to 9. This implies there are 9 angles in polygon. Our polygon has 9 angles. Now since the measure of each angle is equal, let measure of each exterior angle equal to x. We have 9 total angles and the measure of each angle is x. Hence, sum of all exterior angles come out to be 9 into x. We have 9 angles and the measure of each is x. So, the total would be 9 into x, 9x. Right. Again, we have seen a property that no matter what polygon we have, the sum of exterior angles is always 360. So, here we write, we know for any polygon, the sum of exterior angles is always 360. This implies this was our sum and this has to be equivalent to 360. This gives us the value 9x must be equals to 360. Right? Here see 9 is in the multiplication. So when we take it on the other side, it has to be divided. This gives us the value x equals to 360 by 9. This implies x is equals to 40 here. Hence, in our polygon, each exterior angle is of 40 degree. Each exterior angle equals to 40 degree measure. Okay, so this was our question number 2, first part. In the second part we have 15 sides. Now our polygon has 15 sides. Again it is a regular polygon, so let 15 sides and 15 angles. In a polygon, the number of sides is equals to the number of angles. So, a 15-sided polygon will have 15 angles. Let each angle be of x degrees. If each angle is of x degrees, so total will be how much? Total will be equals to 15x. This will be the sum of all the angles, and again the sum of all the angles of a polygon must be equals to 360. From here x equals to 360 by 15. We can if cancel this by 5. 5 sevens and 2s. Here we have 3s, 3 2s and 4s. Hence we are getting 24 degree as the measure of x. This implies each angle is of 24 degrees. Each exterior angle will be of 24 degrees. This was our question number second, first and second part. Next question third, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of each exterior angle is 24? Question 3, how many sides will be there in a regular polygon if each exterior angle is of 24 degrees. Okay, let us consider the total in the solution. Let us consider sides of polygon equal to n. We are considering that a polygon has 9 sides. If it has 9 sides, then it will also have 9 angles, n sides and n angles. The sides of a polygon be n and n will be its angles. Now since each exterior angle is of 24 degree, each exterior angle is of 24 degrees, this implies total is equals to how much? Total will be 24 into n, and this 24 into n must be equals to 360, because we know no matter what polygon we have, the sum of all the exterior angles must always be 360. From here if we solve this, n equals to 360 by 24, we can cancel this with 6. 6 60s and 6 4s, 4 1s and 4 15s. So we have the value of n as 15. Hence number of sides equals to 15. So this is our solution for the third question. Question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? We have been given the measure of the interior angles. We know measure of exterior angle equals to (180) minus measure of interior angle (180) minus measure of interior angle. So this has to be 180 minus 165. This gives us the value 15 degrees. This implies each exterior angle is of 15 degrees. Let number of sides in polygon equals to n. If there are n sides in a polygon, also there will be n angles, and the measure of each angle is 15. So total sum of all exterior angles comes out to be 15 into n. This is the sum of all the exterior angles. We know the sum of all the exterior angles is always equals to 360. So 15n must be equal to 360. From here we can solve n equals to 360 by 15. When we cancel this, we get the value 24. Hence, number of sides in a polygon equals to 24. Therefore, this polygon has 24 sides.